that complex compound is Ma2B2 type. Okay, this is one complex here. So this in this complex the geometry is square planar. What is this geometry here? Square planar. And here we have our ligands. This AABB is what here? Ligands here. Now if you see here, this two AR, this both are in adjacent position. These are also what in adjacent position here. But if I change this position here, okay, so what will happen here? This will be remain same here, A and B, and we are changing their position. This B here and A here. So in this next structure, what we see here, this A is opposite to A, B is opposite to B here. That means here structure has changes here. Okay, they have same molecular formula Ma2B2 only. What is the formula? Ma2B2. This is also Ma2B2 only. But the arrangement of ligands around the central atom, it is different here. So that's why this is called geometrical isomerism. These geometrical isomerisms are of two types. What are those two types here? See here. If the two ligands are adjacent to each other, means here side by side is there here, adjacent to each other, this is called cis form or cis isomer. This is what cis isomers. If the two ligands are adjacent to each other, that is called cis isomer. And if the two same ligands, these are two same ligands, A and A here, same ligand are adjacent to each other, then it is called cis isomers. And if the two same ligands, they are opposite to each other, it is called trans isomer. What is it called? Trans isomer. Now if you see carefully here in the picture, here we have what is the angle here in between these two ligands. What is the angle here? 90-degree angle here. Okay, they are adjacent to each other. And if you see here, this A and this A here, what is the angle here? 180. What is this angle here? 180 here. Okay, so that means here and we are taking A2B2 type here. We are taking two different ligands here. We are taking what here? Two different ligands here. Two different types of ligand. That means here this geometrical isomerism, it takes place when we have the compound is heteroleptic compound. The compound is what? Heteroleptic compound, and the bond angle should be two types. The bond angle is what? Two types. One is 90-degree, one is what? 80-degree. So 90-degree means it will be cis isomers, and 180 means what here? Trans isomers. See here, this is 90-degree, this is also 90-degree, this is also 90-degree. Okay, this one is also what? 90-degree. So this are cis positions. What are this one? Cis position. If we'll give these numbers here, okay, and if we'll give here numbers, this is 1, this is 2, 3, and what is this one? 4 here. So 1 and 2 position, the cis positions are what here? Cis positions are 1 and 2 is cis position, okay, 2 and 3 is cis position, and 3 and 4 is also cis position, and 4 and 1 also what here? Cis position. They are cis to each other here. They will be adjacent here in square planar structure. Okay. And what is trans here? This 1 and 3. 1 and 3 is what here? Trans. So trans isomer is what here? So transposition. What is transposition here? Transposition is 1 and 3 and 2 and 4. These are the transposition. So to occur geometrical isomerism in the complex compound, in the structure, we should have heteroleptic compounds. What we have? Heteroleptic compounds means two types of ligands should be there compulsory, and the angle difference between the ligand pair, it should be of two types. One is 90-degree, one is what? 180-degree. 180-degree compulsory it should be there. See here, this geometrical isomerism, it can take place in the complex compound of coordination number 4 and coordination number 6. So this is coordination number what here? 4. Coordination number 4, the geometry is square planar also and tetrahedral also. This is what tetrahedral. In the tetrahedral we also have here 4 ligands will be there around the central metal atom. Tetrahedral hybridization is sp3 and this is square planar. Square planar geometry is what here? dsp2 here. Okay. Now, can geometrical isomerism takes place in tetrahedral? Okay. Can we change the position? Okay. We will get the different structure here. No, we can't get. Why we can't get the different structure here? If we change the position here, suppose we are taken here A and B we have taken here. If we change the position, can we get the geometry here? We can't get the geometry because in tetrahedral the angle is 109 degree for each. Here the angle is same here. 109 degree here also 109 and here also 109 degree Celsius here. The angle is same is here. All the ligands they are adjacent to each other. All the ligands they are adjacent to what here? Each other here. So see here, this is our tetrahedral molecule. Okay, in tetrahedral all these 4 ligands they are surrounding the metal atom. Suppose this is a metal atom, but the angle is equal here. This is also 109, this is also 109, this is also 109. From all the side it is okay. Equal angle we have here. Due to that the position of the ligand, it is equal. The position of the ligand is what here? Equal. The angle is same here. So all the ligands they will be adjacent to each other here. They will be not opposite to each other. In square planar, how we have seen in square planar, the two in cis isomers the ligands are adjacent to each other. Okay. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 1, 4. They are adjacent to each other because they have same angle here 90, 90, 90 and 90 here. That's why this is this position here. But here two ligands they are opposite to each other. Okay, they are not adjacent to each other. They are opposite to each other. They are opposite to each other at 180 degrees Celsius. So we are getting the different structure here. But that possibility it is not there in tetrahedral structure. That's why this tetrahedral structure they will not show geometrical isomerism. So what is the reason? Due to the symmetrical position of the ligands around the central metal atom. They have the symmetrical position on around the central atom. That's why this tetrahedral they will not show the geometrical isomerism. So what is the condition to have a geometrical isomerism? The condition is they should have 2 types of bond angle between the ligands pair. 2 types of bond angle should be there between the ligands pair here. One is 90, one is what? 180 degrees Celsius, and the compound should be heteroleptic. The compound should be what? Heteroleptic. So we are going to see about today coordination number 4. So square planars, types of geometrical isomerism in square planar. Okay. Okay. So see here, first is Ma4 type here. Ma4, this compound is what? A homoleptic compound. Homoleptic means if the complex compound have same type of ligand, then it is called homoleptic. That is A4. A4 means same type of ligand is there. As I said, this will not take place geometrical isomerism. See here, if you will put here A and A. So if we change the position, okay, if you change the position here, this A and this A, see we can change the position only at 90 degrees Celsius only. We can't change the position at 180 degrees Celsius from here to here. Here only we can shift. So if we shift this one, what we will get here? We will get this is just A only. We are getting the same structure. We are getting the same structure here. That's why geometrical isomerism does not take place. Similarly for Ma3, MaB3 type here. If you take here AA and here A and here B, and if you are changing this one, what we will get here? This will remain same. Here we have B and here we have A here. So in this structure also, if you see here, in front of A what we have? See the transposition here. In front of A we have B and in front of A what we have here? A. Similarly here in front of A we have, in front of A, B we have here. So same structure we are getting here. That's why in this both geometrical isomerism does not takes place. Okay. Or in another method is to find out the geometrical isomerism. You can make the pairs here. How pairs means here, this is AA and this is also AA. This is just one type it is in one. Another type can we make it? No. So that's why only one type we can make it here. So no geometrical takes place here. Similarly here AA and AB. Another we can do it, we can't make it here. That's why the geometrical isomerism does not take place here. Same here we have either MA3B or MAB3. In both also the geometrical isomerism can't take place. Okay. So next we have here Ma2B2 type here. Okay. In this type, this is heteroleptic compound. If we see here, we have two types of ligand it is. So how the arrangement it will be? First we have to make the cis form here. How we can make cis form? Two ligands will be adjacent position here. So this is A, and what is this one? B and B here. So the ligand they are in adjacent positions, same ligands. If two same ligands are in adjacent position, what is it called? Cis isomer here. Okay. So this is a cis isomer. This is also cis. AA here, AB, same only it is, and here BB same only here. So all the from all the cis type positions, we have the same type of ligand here. So it is cis isomer. If we change the position, what we will get here? Here we have B and here we have what? Sorry, here A and here we will get B here. Okay. This AB will be same and here A. So now the two similar atoms are in opposite to each other. So what is this one? Trans isomer. So in A2B2 we will get the two geometrical isomerism. One is this, one is what here? Trans here. You see example, see here, platinum NH3 taken twice, Cl2 it is. Okay, diamine dichlorido platinum it is. Okay, so plus or minus this one plus. So see here, so this ammonia you write down here, 2 ammonia and this 2 chlorine here. So what will be it is cis isomers, and just shift this 2 here. Okay, so what we will get here, this NH3 and this Cl will be in the same position, and here will come Cl and here it is what? NH3. So what is this one? Trans. So this is what? Cis here. So these are two geometrical isomerism, we can get it here. Okay. So next we have here Ma2BC here. B2, in front of B2 we are taking BC here. Now here we have another ligand here. Okay. Heteroleptic compound it is Ma2BC. How we will do it? So this is A and A. First make it cis here. Then B and C. Just change this one. Okay. Shift this one here. So what we will get here? This is A and this B. It does not changes, but C and E here. So this A, make it fix here. So with respect to AA, this is what? Cis. Two ligands are in adjacent position here. So with respect to AA, this is cis isomer. But when we change the position here, these two AA are in opposite direction here. That means it is what? Trans here. With respect to what here? AA here. With respect to what here? AA. This is cis and this is what? Trans here. Okay. And example see here. CONH3 taken twice. BrCl it is. So first write down these two similar ligand here. That is NH3, NH3. Okay. In cis position. And next we have what here? Br and Cl. Change their position. Okay. Exchange their position. What we will get here? This NH3 and Cl same only. And here we have here Br and NH3. So with respect to NH3, it is cis form, and with respect to NH3 it is what? Trans form. Because these two NH3 are in opposite to each other here, and these two Cl and Br are opposite to each other. This is Ma2BC type here. Okay. Or you can make it pair here. But this one in exam, theory exam also, they will ask you to draw the structure. So you should have the practice of drawing also, not only just pairing and getting the geometrical isomerism. This one, the MA2, B2 type, you have to practice for the drawing also. Okay. If you make pair, how you make here AA1 and BB. This is one possibility. Or another is what? AB, AB. Okay. So two geometrical isomerism can take place. So we can find out by doing pairing here. Okay. Here also first AA and BC. Another chance is what? AB. Okay. AB and AC. So like this here we have two geometrical isomerism. Okay. So next we have here MABCD type here. Okay. All the four ligands are different here. So how to draw the structure for this one? How many isomerisms are possible for that one? So see here, easy trick is there to find the structure, draw the structure. In this, just first ligand, make it fix here. Okay. Its position is fixed here, and remaining these three ligands are there. Just make the transport that remaining three here. How means here? A, keep it fixed here, and B opposite to A here. Okay, in first case. In second case, A is fixed here. Okay, and C will be the opposite to the A here. This is transform. Okay, and D, A keep it fixed here, and D will be the opposite to the A here. Like this we can make three transform. Transform are less and cis forms are more. So we can draw the structure by using the transform here. So what we have did here, A keep fix and just change the remaining ligands here. B will be the trans, then one time C will be the trans, and one time D will be the trans. Remaining you can write here. This is B. Okay, B has come here already. So it is C and it is what? D here. In next what it will be here? C has come, so it is A, B, C, D here. A and then here B will be here only, D and what it is? C here. So totally we will get three geometrical isomerism for A, B, C, D type here. Okay. So now if you see the diagrams carefully, this is one. Okay. This is first one. This is second one. And this is third one. Okay. If you see in the first and second, okay, with respect to AD, with respect to what here? AD. With respect to AD, the first and second are cis isomers. The first and second are what here? Cis isomers, because AD, both are in the adjacent position here, in cis position here. So first and second is what? Cis here. But to see the third one, A and D, they are opposite to each other here. So first and second with respect to AD, with respect to A and D, first and second are what here? Cis isomers. Okay, and here third one is what? Third one is trans. Okay. Similarly, if you see here the structure here, with respect to, if you take here BC here, what will take here? BC here. So first and second are cis isomers, and the third one is trans isomer. The third one is what here? Trans isomer. B and C, it is on cis position here, and the third one is what here? Trans here. Okay. Similarly, we can see for here B and D also. See here, the first and third, B and D, they are in cis position. This is cis position, this is also cis position. But second one is what here? Trans position. What is this one? Trans position. So in this three structure, two will be cis isomers and one will be the trans isomers with respect to any one. Okay. So with respect to with respect to A and D, the first and second are cis isomer, and third one is what here? Trans isomers. How to draw? Keep one is fixed here, and remaining just to make it opposite. First then B, then C, and then D. Remaining you can put here. Okay. So like this you can draw the structure. So M, A, B, C, D type are how many types here? 3 geometrical isomerisms are possible here. Example we'll see. So example for this one is platinum, amine, bromido, fluorido, pyridine. Okay, this is the example platinum. This example we will see here. All the 4 ligands are different here. So how we can put in this NH3 we will keep fixed. NH3 position is fixed here. Okay. So with respect to NH3, next to Br will be in transposition. Okay. In next case, this is our NH3. Okay. And next what we will put here? Cl. In this next here, this is our NH3, and next we have what? Our pyridine. Okay. So now here we can write here Br here already is there. So chlorine, and next what here? Pyridine. Here next here Br, and next we have what here? Pyridine. Okay. And here we have our Br, and here it is what? Cl here. So like this we can draw the structure. In this if you see here with respect to the amine and pyridine here, NH3 and Py, the first and second structure is cis isomer. The first and second is what? Cis isomer. NH3Py, both are in cis position here. So it is cis isomer. And the third one is NH3Py, they are opposite to each other. So with respect to NH3 and Py, this is the transform here. Okay. So another also you can see here, this chlorine and bromine here, they are cis to each other. Bromine and Cl, that is also cis to each other, but in this case here they are opposite to each other here. But they are opposite to each other. Like this you can draw the structure for Ma4 type here. Okay, this is all our monodentate ligand. What is this one? Monodentate ligand here. For bidentate ligand also we can draw the structure here. For bidentate ligand, how it will be? See here, bidentate ligand, we have MAA twice. This is bidentate ligand. Okay, that means similar ligand will be there here. If we have similar ligand in this octahedral structure, how we will get here? This is our metal atom and bidentate ligand. Bidentate ligand means here the donor atom is what here? 2 here in bidentate ligand. Okay, so they will form ring now like this way. Here like this. So here we have A, and here also what we have here? A. And here also A, and here also what? A here. So bidentate ligand are of 2 types, symmetrical and unsymmetrical. Symmetrical means both the donor atoms are same. Okay, that is called symmetrical ligands. Example is ethylene diamide. Okay, ethylene diamide. Have you remember this is NH2 CH2 NH2. This is ethylene diamide. Okay, this both donor atoms are what here? Nitrogen here. This is ethylene diamide here. Okay, symmetrical ligand it is. If we will take here symmetrical ligand, and if we change the position AA, this is suppose nitrogen only here. So if we change the position here, if we shift it, can the geometry change here? The geometry does not change here. The structure, we will not get the another structure here, because same we will get here, same like Ma4 type here. So that's why no geometrical isomerism here, no GIV is possible in this case if we have symmetrical bidentate ligand here. But okay, but if we have unsymmetrical bidentate ligand, unsymmetrical means MAB type here. Okay, in unsymmetrical ligand the case will be different here. How it is means, see here. This is unsymmetrical bidentate ligand. Here we have A, and here we have B, and here also A, here also B. One chance this one is there. Okay, and another is if we shift this one, A and B, we will shift. What we will get here? See here we are getting. Okay, so A and B it is same only here, but here we get what? B and A. So this is what transposition it is now. A and B they are cis to each other. A, B here. Cis isomers it is. But when we shifting what we are getting here? B and B opposite to each other, A and A opposite to each other here. That's why here geometrical isomerism is possible. One is cis and one is what here? Trans here. So in a square planar structure, if we have unsymmetrical bidentate ligand, then the geometrical isomerism is possible here. Okay. So example we'll see here. So example is platinum glycinato twice here. Okay, this example glycinato remember this is NH2CH2COO minus acetic acid CH3COO. Thus we have to remove H and C. NH2 you have to add and H remove O minus here. These two are donor atoms, nitrogen and what? Oxygen. Ambidentate, sorry, it is what? Unsymmetrical bidentate ligand here. The donor atom is nitrogen and oxygen. Different atoms are there here. So unsymmetrical bidentate ligand it is. How we'll write here? This is NH2. This NH2 right here, okay, and next what here? O minus here. What? O minus, not minus. This if you share O only write down. So it is CH2 remains here, and what it is here? COO here. Okay, like this we should write here. Similarly, same this type write down here. NH2 here, O here, and here what will come here? CH2 and here CO. This is O here. Okay. So here this is the donor atom, oxygen is donor atom, nitrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, oxygen. So what is this form here? This is cis isomer. What is this one? Cis isomer. And if you exchange here this nitrogen and this oxygen, if we replace here, okay, if we replace here this CH2CO, if we make it as just sign here like this way, okay, like this also we can make it in simplified, just make it here in here, okay, CO. So if we change this NH2 and O, what we will get here? Here O will come, here NH2 will come here, and this NH2 and O, it will remain same only here. So we are getting what here? This is transposition. So trans isomer. This is what here? Trans isomer, or if you can write here NH2, this is CH2, and here what is COO here, and this what here? CH2 here, and this is COO here. Okay. So here this just we are changing this one only. So this is a cis and trans. So this is all about square planar structure. In square planar structure, we have seen all the types of geometrical isomerism. So here we have seen the square planar structures, okay. In coordination number 4, in square planar geometrical isomerism, we have seen here. First we have seen that MA4, MA3B, MAB3, MAA, there is no geometrical isomerism. MA means here bidentate ligand here, capital letters means here symmetrical bidentate ligand, no geometrical isomerism. Next we have seen MA2B2 type here. In this we have two geometrical isomerism. Example we have seen platinum diamine dichloro here, okay. Next we have here Ma2BC here. Here also two geometrical isomerism possible here. One is cis, one is what? Trans here. Example cobalt. This is diamine dichloro to cobalt here. And MABCD type we have three geometrical isomerism, and this is the example. Platinum, amine, bromo, chloro, pyridine here. This is the example. And MAB, it is what? Bidentate, unsymmetrical bidentate ligand. If we have, then the geometrical isomerism possible. How much? Two geometrical isomerism possible. Okay. This is all about square planar structures. So see the question. So see here question based on the square planar structure. The total number of isomers for a square planar complex. Complex is given here. This is metal. Okay. Fluorine, chlorine, and this is SCN-NO2 is how many total isomers are for a square planar structure. So if you see here this complex, here we have 4 ligands, 1, 2, 3, 4 ligands. That means here this is ABCD type. Which type it is? This is MABCD type here. As we know here, this ABCD types give 3 geometrical isomerism. Okay. So but here answer in we have don't have 3 here. 12, 16, 4, 8 we have here. If you see here complex carefully, this ligands check it. This is fluorine, fluorine, monodentate, and this SCN and Na2 both are ambidentate ligand here. SCN and what we have here? NO2, nitrito, and this is what? Thiocyanato. Ambidentate ligand present means they will show linkage isomerism here. Means here this SCN, this S also can donate an electron, and NCS, isothiocyanate, nitrogen also can donate an electron here. So here if SCN is there, means for this one if you take it, here they will make 3 geometrical isomerism. Okay, NCS if you take constant here, they will make 3 geometrical isomerism. Similarly, nitrito, here we have nitrito. In this nitrogen it donates, they will make 3 geometrical isomerism for this one. And ONO if you take here, this ONO if you fix it, remaining they will be in transpositions, and they also can make here 3 geometrical isomerism here. So that means here totally how many isomerisms are there? 3, 3, 6, 9 and 12. So the correct option is 12 here. Okay. SCN can form 3 geometrical isomerism and NO2 can form 3 geometrical isomerism. Here 6, here 6. SCN also and NCS also. SCN if you keep as constant, remaining ligands will be in the transposition. 3 over, then NCS take. That also NCS constant, remaining 3 will be in transposition. That is also 3. Like this same here for nitrito. So the answer is 12. So only by seeing that here ABCD type and just we will tick mark, don't do like this. Check the ligands here. If linkage isomerism is there, so this possibility is also there. This question has asked in 2019 JEE main question it is. Okay. Next question read, the number of geometric isomers that can exist for square planar. Okay. This is square planar structure given here. So platinum central metal atom, so chlorine, pyridine, amine and NH2OH. 4 different ligands are there here. This is also MABCD type only. In MABCD type we have 3 geometrical isomerism. Check the ligands now here. This is chlorine monodentate, pyridine monodentate, amine monodentate, NH2OH. This is also monodentate. All are monodentate ligand. That's why our answer is B answer. 3 is correct answer. This question has asked in 2015 JEE main. Okay. So like this they can ask the questions. Next question, see here. Which of the following will be able to show geometric isomerism? Okay. In case 2019 they have asked the question this one. So options given here, MABCD square planar. Which of the following will be able to show geometric isomerism? ABCD square planar. Okay, next is MA3B square planar, MABCD tetrahedral, MA2B2 tetrahedral. So in tetrahedral we know that the geometrical isomerism not possible. This is tetrahedral, not possible. A3B, this is also not possible. And what is the option here? For A option is the correct option. ABCD square planar, we will get 3 geometrical isomerism. Okay. Next question. So option A is the correct option here. Next question is the number of isomers possible for square planar complex. Complex given here K2, palladium, chlorine, dibromo. This is thiocyanate has given here. How many possibility isomers are there here? This is which type? See here. This is M. Bromine. How many 2 are there? So it is A2BC type. And A2BC type here we have 2 geometrical isomerism only. For A2BC type here we have 2 geometrical isomerism only. But here we have SCN. SCN, it is an ambidentate ligand. Linkage isomerism may possible. S also can donate electron and also can donate electron here. That means here linkage isomerism also it is possible here with the metal atom here. That's why one linkage isomerism. So total isomerism will be how much here? 3 will be there. 2 geometrical isomerism, one is what? Linkage isomerism. So they have asked isomers, not geometrical isomers. They have asked only isomers. The number of isomers here possible for square planar complexes here they have asked. So totally we will get here 3 isomers will be possible. 2 geometrical isomer, one is linkage isomers here. So totally 3 isomers we will get here. Like this they will ask the questions based on this square planar. So keep practicing question and answers. Thank you so much for watching. Today Teachers Day is there. We all are missing you a lot. Let's hope the college will reopen soon. Okay. So thank you so much for watching.